Bonjour et bienvenue en français avec Poonam. Hello and welcome to French with Poonam. Today we will be doing the indefinite articles, right? Which means a, an, or in case of plural, it means some, right? So in French, it's called les articles indéfinis. Les articles indéfinis, which is used to denote a, an, and in plural noun, in case of plural noun, to denote some. So, let me tell you one thing. In French, all the nouns are categorized as either masculine or feminine, and based on the gender of the noun, we decide what or which article we have to put. So, most of the noun or words you will see in French are masculine and some are feminine. So how will you identify that this particular noun is feminine? So let me tell you, probably if you find a noun that ends with an E, it is mostly feminine, but exceptions are always there. But if you have a list of words or nouns, and if you find any word that ends with an E, then 95% chances are there that it is a feminine noun, right? But some exceptions are there which I have noted down. Some I have written, you will probably find more. So most of the time the noun ending with an E is feminine. Some exceptions I have written here, there may be more, right? So the first one is livre. Livre means a book in French. This is masculine. It ends with an E, but in spite of that, it's not a feminine noun. It's a masculine one. Parapluie. Parapluie means umbrella. This is also a word that ends with E, but still is masculine. Third one, visage. Visage means a face, right? Face. So face, visage, it ends with an E, but it is masculine in nature. So now let me tell you, if you find so many words and you are told to put the articles which are appropriate, how you will put them. Alright, so this is the rule that we are going to follow. Whenever you see a noun which is masculine and singular, you use a. Whenever the noun is feminine and singular, you use une. And whenever it is a plural noun, regardless of the gender, whether it is masculine or feminine, you put des. Alright. So I have taken few words from the previous video where I have talked about the French words starting with the letter A, right? So here are the words I have written. Now we are going to put these articles here in its place. This is avion. If you remember, what does it mean in French? Can you tell me? Avion. Yes, that's an aeroplane. This is masculine, right? So we will put a here. A. Avion. Together it is pronounced as, there's a sound of N that comes in between these two words. A avion. It is not pronounced like this. A avion. No. It is a navion. An avion. An avion. Alright? So whenever you have a consonant at the end of a word and there is a word that follows it that begins with a vowel, the sound that follows is N. N. An avion. An avion. Animal. Second word is animal. An animal. So you don't write this. This is just I have written it to tell it to you, to teach you. The sound that follows is N. Un avion, un animal. Although they are those two separate words, a animal, together they are pronounced as an animal. An animal. Here also this is masculine. So, an alphabet. An alphabet. Alphabet. Ami. Ami means a friend. Ami. This is a masculine friend. And here, Ami with an E at the end is a feminine friend. So here you will put a nami, anami, and here you will put une, nami. The pronunciation is the same, anami, nami. Only the pronunciation of a and une vary, and ami remains the same. Together with this it becomes nami, anami, nami. And here is apricot. Apricot is a apricot. So this is also masculine. So we are going to put an apricot. An apricot. So in each of these words, the sound that will come in between is N. An avion, an animal, an alphabet, an ami, an apricot. Nami. And these are the plural form of all of these words that I have written. Avion, avion. The pronunciation remains the same even of the plural form, but an S is added at the end. And if it is a plural noun, then regardless of the gender, if it ends with an S, or in case of animal, the plural becomes animo. A-U-X, right? If it ends with an X, then it is plural. So, here in all of these, what will come? They. They. And in this case, the linking word will be Z, the Z sound. Plural form, the sound that follows in between is Z, Z. So this becomes, obviously it is written as they, avion, but together they are pronounced as des avions, des animaux, zanimo. It is zanimo, des animaux, des alphabets. Then des amis, des abricots. Alright? Let us do some words that begin with the letter B. Can you tell me which article you will put here? Bateau. Bateau is a boat. It is masculine. Bush. Bush ends with an E. So probably this is feminine. And yes, it is a feminine noun. Bush. Une bush. Boîte. Boîte means a box. Ends with an E. And yes, it is feminine. Une boîte. Bonbon. Bonbon is a sweet. And it's masculine. A bonbon. Bon. Bon is a bench. Masculine. A bon. A bon. And these are the plural form. If you see noun ending with an X or S, then they are plural. Here also it will be bonbon, but the pronunciation remains the same as that of the singular noun. Bateau, bush, boîte, bonbon, bon. And what will come here? These are all plural form, so des. Des bâtons, des bouches, des boîtes, des bonbons, des bons. Some more words. Chat, chou, chocolat, couteau, coup. All of these are masculine. So I am going to put a chat, a chou, a chocolat, a couteau, a coup. This is a cat, cabbage, chocolate, knife and neck. A chat, a chou, a chocolat, a couteau, a coup. Now here you have école. École ends with an E and yes, it is feminine. So it becomes unicole. Unicole. Fromage. Fromage is cheese and it is feminine. Une fromage. Une fromage. Femme is a lady. It's feminine. Une femme. Fleur, which means a flower. Though it doesn't end with an E, it is feminine. Flower, right? Fleur. Une fleur. Gomme. Gomme is an eraser and it is feminine. Une gomme. Unicole, une fromage, une femme, une fleur, une gomme. All these are feminine and here you have all the words masculine. So this is your homework. You have to put these in, they, right? You have to use indefinite articles here at this place. So these 10 words I am giving you as homework. See you in the next class. We'll discuss this once you do it in your homework. Till then, bye bye. Take care.